is Flylady and I am outside my favourite shop in London, which is Choccywoccydoodah here on Carnaby Street. They make the most amazing chocolate creations, from cake to bars of chocolate to chocolate bunnies for Easter, and even a chocolate skull, which just makes me laugh like you wouldn't believe. Anyway, that got me thinking about food, because they have a fantastic cafe upstairs that does all kinds of chocolate creations. I'll be going in a minute. It made me start thinking about menu planning. I just wanted you to take a minute and think about where your menu plan is for the next week, how it's looking. Are you happy with it? Do you need to tweak it? Do you even have one? Maybe just take 5 minutes this morning to think about that, and to make any changes that you need, or to get one started. A great way to do that if you don't have one is to just by making a list of everybody's favourite foods. You have a great day. I'm going to eat chocolate.